Hi, in this video we will see how we can enable the dark mode feature in Canva. At first we need to log in our Canva account, and once we logged in our Canva account, we'll see a gear like type of thing. This is called the settings. We just need to click here, and once we click this menu or this icon, basically it will bring us to this page. Once we are in this page, we just need to scroll down a little bit, and then we'll find this type of area where it is mentioned themes, and there are three themes are there, like sync with system, then light and dark. Our goal was to enable the dark mode, so we have to move our cursor on top of the dark theme, and then we have to just click once, and once we clicked, you will see everything become dark. So in this way we can easily enable dark mode on our Canva account. And finally, if we click the Canva home page, we will be back to our home page of Canva. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily enable the dark mode of our Canva account. Thank you guys for watching the video.